So guys, before we get into the steps, you want to make sure that you're running a 64-bit version of Windows. To check if you are or not, you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, if we look next to system type, it's going to be telling you, make sure that you're running x64. If you're not, if you're running x86, then you want to upgrade to x64. This should not fix your problem. If you are running x64 and you're getting this problem, then in that case, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.